All right. So let's start with you, Abhishek. You added some. So I guess Dennis needed to review this. Dennis, were you able to take a look at this MR?
I don't see which one you're looking at, but is it the export,
Yeah.
import, export? Yeah, I looked at it a little bit. I was going to help them debug it. It's producing an error for some reason on one of the exports or the unit test is. So I was going to dive into that.
Gotcha.
So
Okay, perfect. And there's compose, transaction accumulate wallet D, JSON RPC call. So this is ready for review. So Dennis, if you have time to review this task as well.
yeah, I'll go through those today.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, on the delete one, there is a lint error, which I'm fixing it now. I'll be closing it just now.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah. And implement ED25519.
Yes, also I had some comments from Dennis. I have resolved those and posted.
Okay. Yeah, your suggested changes. Perfect. And
this one I have assigned to myself once to work on further. But the link, there is a link for client transaction, but I don't, when I click on it, it goes to a empty page. So yeah, this one.
Okay. I guess Dennis, if you could find the correct link and add that.
Number is that for? Is that Abhishek? I'm driving, so I can't see my screen.
Oh yeah, 1479. Yeah. I'll add you in the Jira. I'll add you to Jira, and you should see a Jira notification.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
I'll ping you, Dennis, about this.
Okay. All right. Very good. Quentin is helping with Denny to finish this disaster recovery document. So that.
Yeah, I'm meeting with Sharon and Sweta later today.
Okay. Sounds good. All right, Ethan. Limits task. So this is passing CI and develop if you want to move that to done. Otherwise, okay. Are you there's a staking related task? Is that what you're working on now?
I helped Paul with that yesterday.
Okay.
That's done.
Okay. Paul, are there any additional staking tasks?
Yeah, I wrote one this morning to which probably is no big deal, but I need the token issuance key for Acme in a dev environment so that I can distribute significant numbers of tokens. Otherwise, it's a real pain to take them 50 at a time.
Okay.
And and I may have some other token balancing issues. I don't know. We'll see.
Okay. And do you know the number, the ticket number?
I think no, not off the top of my head.
Okay. Well, I guess Ethan, will you be able to take up that task?
I assigned it to Ethan, so it's right there. But that task is probably largely just telling me how to get the key for the token issuance in a dev environment. Do we have a way? Is that a hard coded key that we're keeping? Or
no, it's good. It's managed by the operator keybook.
Yeah, but who's the operator when you just run a DevNet? Is it just a randomly generated key?
The nodes. It uses the validator keys.
I know, but those are in a DevNet.
Those are randomly generated.
Just randomly generated. So all I have to do is figure out where they are generated and print them out somewhere so I can grab them.
Yeah, I can send you commands to use.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Yeah, Paul, if you're able to find that ticket number.
Yeah, I'm on my phone. But I have my computer right here. I'll give you the ticket number. Give me a second. I'll put it in the chat.
Okay, perfect. Let's go back to the actors rents. So these two are in review.
Yeah, I had received some comments from Ethan. I'm addressing them.
Okay.
So I have submitted an MR for the other task. I removed all the redundant code which was pointed out. And regarding the status task, actually I was getting a response for 2659, not this.
Oh, for 265. Oh,
Sorry, yeah,
2659. Okay.
yes. In this one, I was able to get response correctly itself, but I need to recheck and confirm with Ethan. I'll attach the screenshots. When I tested it locally, I was able to get the required fields for both the DN and BVNN. But still, yeah, I need to discuss some things with Ethan, and maybe hopefully I can close this task also today.
Okay. And what's the status of
Yeah,
that bug?
actually, yeah, as I could not work on this yesterday, and today I was mostly working on the comments. So there is
Okay.
no update on this as of yet, but I'll be working on it.
Okay. That sounds good.
Yeah, this one needs some critical thinking. I was, as I had already informed, I was not available yesterday, so
Yep.
I couldn't
Okay.
work on this.
I guess, Ethan, if you also have time to look into this task and help Jothan out, that would be great.
And I'll also try and complete this thing by this weekend.
3217. Thanks, Paul. Test. Okay. Sounds good. Ledger task. So, Dennis, you're still working on the marshaller.
The info snag just refactor stuff. So I'm working through that. Also, some memory limitations I'm having to deal with on the device for the marshaling. So,
Okay. And then you have the scene coder. Okay, so you'll update that. The driver.
yeah, Sandra will have an update on that. Sandra refactored a lot of it because we borrowed it from Ethereum, and Sandra cleaned it up a lot.
Perfect.
So,
okay, and then this is just a UI thing. And Sandra, your tasks were in review as of yesterday.
Yes. Also, the Factum did job still to work on, but I could use some extra tickets in my name. Or at least one.
Can you repeat that?
I can use one or more extra tickets in my name.
Okay.
Assigned to
yeah, I can give him a couple. So
Okay.
Okay.
I'll do that. They'll be ledger related. That's okay. So
That sounds good. Yeah, Dennis, if you can generate those and just let me know what the ticket numbers are.
I also have a speeding ticket if he wants that.
We can make some arrangements.
I think there's a different
Because your
jurisdictions at
insurance
play there.
rates.
I think you can expense it to DeFi devs, Paul.
Actually, I'm lying because I haven't had a speeding ticket since I was like 25. But there you go.
I have a warning app for speed cameras in my phone, so
Oh, maybe I just need an app for that.
So it sounds like Wisdom got a Mac. So hopefully, I guess Quentin, you'll work with him on doing the ledger documentation.
Yeah, I mean, he's testing right now to see if he's able to sideload using this new computer. So let's see how he does. Otherwise, I'll be his guinea pig.
Sounds good. Paul, Ethan, Dennis, I sent in the core committee chat yesterday the protocol audit report. So if you guys could please look at that today and add any comments, I'd like to get that back to Tony as soon as possible. All right. Ethan, have you checked to see if any of the nodes have caught up recently?
I have not looked at it this morning.
All right. I will give that a look. I'm going to see if I can call Niels because there's still one ANO that is unresponsive.
Did Federate this give us IPs?
Yeah.
Oh, finally.
And Quentin, have you heard anything from ARSR about their IP address?
Yeah, they gave it to us. I forwarded it to you.
Oh, you emailed it to me?
Yeah.
Okay. I will look for that. Cool. Anything else? All right. Thanks, everyone.